The 25 best sunglasses wedding favors you always wanted to have. Wedding sunglasses are a welcome addition as a favor or gift, especially spring and summer outdoor weddings or events. Sunglasses are a great wedding accessory for your bridal party to wear for photos and even to wear down the aisle. Guests will enjoy sunglass favors to snap photos, dance the night away, or help shade the sun during your wedding ceremony. Consider mixing and matching colorful wedding sunglasses to create a fun, colorful favor that will look great in photos. Add a personalized touch with your names and date on the arm of each of the sunglass wedding favors. 1 bridal party personalized sunglasses. 2 bridal party sunglasses, black. 3 bridal party sunglasses, blue. 4 bridal party sunglasses, gold. 5 bridal party sunglasses, navy. 6 bridal party sunglasses, orange. 7 bridal party sunglasses, pink. 8 bridal party sunglasses, purple. 9 bridal party sunglasses, red. 10 bridal party sunglasses, white. 11 bridal party sunglasses, yellow. 12 personalized sunglass favors, black. 13 personalized sunglass favors, black and white. 14 personalized sunglass favors, pink and black. 15 personalized sunglass favors, white. 16 sunglass wedding favors, black. 17 sunglass wedding favors, blue. 18 sunglass wedding favors, metallic gold. 19 sunglass wedding favors, navy blue. 20 sunglass wedding favors, orange. 21 sunglass wedding favors, pink. 22 sunglass wedding favors, purple. 23 sunglass wedding favors, red. 24 sunglass wedding favors, white. 25 sunglass wedding favors, yellow.
Please subscribe, please like, thank you for watching.